Hello everyone and welcome back. This is me Priyanka Singh, a mentor at Career Launcher and creator of a program ACE AR for law exams. So in today's session we are going to look at how to deal with the problems of a cube and when the cube is painted and it has been cut into smaller pieces. So let's understand first of all what is a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional structure. Okay, so it has three parameters: length, breadth and height. It has 12 edges. As you can see here, these are 12 edges. It has 8 vertices. We can see 7 right now and 1 is hidden, and it has 6 faces. Let's see how the questions of cutting a painted cube are to be dealt with. So I have given you a question that all the faces of a cube are painted with red color. The cube is cut into 64 smaller pieces. So first you need to understand that I've taken a 4 centimeter cube where the length is also 4 centimeter, the breadth is also 4 centimeter, and in order to get 64 smaller cubes we have to make 3 cuts, each along the length, breadth and height. Then a bigger cube of 4 centimeter can be broken down into 64 smaller cubes with each dimension, length, breadth and height to be as 1 centimeter for each cube. Now our question was, and this bigger cube has been painted with red color and it has been cut it into 64 smaller cubes, and we have not dispersed those cubes. It has been kept as a stack of 64 smaller cubes together. Okay, so all those 64 cubes have been stacked like this to give a shape of a bigger cube of 4 centimeter each side. Okay. Now first question was, how many small cubes have only one face color? Okay, now you need to understand which are going to be those cubes of whose we can only see one face. Rest 5 faces are hidden inside the structure. Okay, so those cubes are going to be this. Let's say this one. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the face that is in front of us, on that we have seen there are 4 such cubes for which we can only see one face. Similarly, the face which is on the top, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes here for which only one face is being visible. Or we can say for the only one face is being colored. Similarly, on the right hand side, the face that is being visible to us, again we can see there are 4 cubes which have only one face visible. Now here we can make a conclusion that we can see here that on each face of this cube we are finding 4 smaller cubes which have only one face color. So now we know that one cube has 6 faces. So the total number of cubes which have only one face colored would be 6 into 4, 24. So in all, out of these 64 smaller cubes, there would be 24 small cubes which have only one face colored. There is a formula also, there is a direct formula for this that I'll share in some other later on sessions. How many cubes have no face colored? Now this is a slightly tricky thing because we are talking about cubes which are completely inside the structure, which are at the core of this bigger cube. Now here your visualization power has to come into the picture. In fact, you should have a very strong visualization if you want to do questions on cubes and dices, because in cubes and dices, when we are drawing it on a piece of paper, we can only draw it in the 2D, two-dimensional thing. Three-dimensional, we will not be able to see the three other faces which are always hidden, and we'll have to assume that, we'll have to imagine those in our mind. Okay, there is a side at the left hand side, there is a back, and there is a bottom. Those things you will have to imagine. So here no face colored, so थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ पे imagination use करेंगे. For example, I am being asked क्यूब्स जिनके कोई भी फेस पे कलर नहीं है, वो क्यूब्स कौन से होंगे. थोड़ा सा इमेजिनेशन विजुअलाइजेशन यूज करो. ये जो जहाँ पे मैंने क्रॉस किया है, द प्लेस आई हैव पुट अ क्रॉस, एंड हियर दैट आई हैव पुट अ क्रॉस, or rather than cross, let me say not cross, let me change my symbol here, let me say a tick. Okay, so the cubes for which no face is colored or no face is visible to us are actually, they are beneath this X and in these two rows. So ये X, ये जो चार X हैं ऊपर, इनके नीचे, but not in this row, not in the first row, not in the last row, but in the second row and the fourth row. So in second row I will get 4 such cubes for which no face is colored, and in the third row also I will again get 4 such cubes for which no face is colored. Okay, so there are 8 such cubes जो completely हमको visible नहीं है, जो completely इस बड़े क्यूब के कोर के इनसाइड है, एंड ना ही वो विजिबल है, ना ही उनकी कोई भी फेस जो है वो कलर्ड होगा. सो आवर आंसर हियर फॉर हाउ मेनी स्मॉल क्यूब्स have no face colored, answer should be 8. And this is where your visualization would play a important role, that you should be able to visualize that there are cubes beneath this row and behind this column. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Couple of times it might you might also been asked that how many cubes are such which have all the 3 faces colored. So whenever we are talking about 3 face colored or 3 faces visible, for that we have a standard answer, and that is 8, because those are the cubes at the vertices, like, and we know there are 8 vertex. For example, here we can say that this particular cube, at the vertex for this particular cube, we can see all the 3 faces. So there will be 8 such cubes for which you can see the 3 faces. Okay, and if it is being asked for how many cubes you have 2 faces visible, then now there were total cubes were 64. Total cubes were 64. One face visible is 24. 3 face visible is 8. 0 face visible is 8 again. So for 2 face visible, what we can do, we can quickly subtract, and on subtraction we find 24. So we can say there would be 24 small cubes for which 2 faces are colored or 2 faces are visible. I'll also point that on the figure. So 2 faces visible is this, like 1, 2, because for this cube 1 I can see this face and I can see this face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 we can see on the front, there would be 8 on the back. 8 and 8, 16. And similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 4 on this side, so another 8. So that's how we are reaching up to the total of 24. So here we have solved or we have calculated the number of cubes using the counting method. As I've shared earlier, there are direct formulas also for this, okay, that we can share in some other session. So I hope now you will feel comfortable in solving questions on cubes being painted and cut it into smaller cubes. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. You can catch up details of ACE AR for law exams at www.lawentrance.com/clat/analytical reasoning, or simply use the bit.ly link AR for law. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.